I'm Carla from Servant Crafts, and I just wanted to give you a quick what's up video. Hey, what's going on? Because I'm sure, and I've gotten many comments noting that I haven't made a lot of videos recently. And pardon me, the reason is I've gone back to work 4 days a week. So I just don't have as much time to work on something on camera as I did before. But I'm still crafting. I am still accepting orders for stockings to be made for 2025. And I am working on some new things. I'll show you here. I hope I can show you. This is kind of my current, I don't know, love. I just love making these dolls. So let me see if I can get you to be able to see her in full. Excuse the mess. Not really, but kind of. Anyway, and this is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored at all. But anyway, the patterns come from Crochet Tree. If you're a crocheter, they are simple to do. You have to be very dedicated to reading the pattern well. The patterns are really well written with beautiful color pictures in them, and easy to make. But they do take some time and some effort. So that's kind of my current thing. This doll is for my granddaughter, and she will be 3 December 22nd, so it's getting ready to be shipped out. And I have some others in different stages, mostly without heads, of creation right now that are coming. So in the works. So I'm hoping to be able to make one for each of my 5 grandkids throughout this next year. So that's part of that. You will likely, we are going to continue to try to do these short videos of question and answers. So those of you that have sent questions and needed help with a particular challenge, I'm going to try to be able to answer those every couple of weeks in a short video. So please keep sending me your questions and your challenges. Most of them I will probably respond to right away, especially if they come through email. I can answer you right away, but I am using them to build my question and answer series. So you may still continue to see a video regarding those. And the last little tidbit of information is I know some of you commented that you really enjoyed seeing Finnegan in my videos. Finnegan, our cat, or Finny as we called him. And unfortunately, we had to have him put to sleep in October. He was 14 and a half years old. He was diabetic for the last 7 to 8 years of his life. We were managing that pretty well. But unfortunately, after some dental work, they discovered that he had cancer in his jawbone and most likely elsewhere. And that was just not going to be solved. So it was time to let him go. And he went away peacefully to sleep in my arms at the veterinary clinic. So we were able to say a peaceful goodbye to him. And we still miss him very much. We still kind of think we see him or hear him occasionally and remind ourselves, no, he's not with us anymore. And my husband and I and our family have decided that we don't think any more pets are in our future. He was a pet that needed a lot of care, and we're kind of looking forward to maybe not having to have a pet that has so much care, not having to have pets for at least for probably our time left here. So unfortunately, you won't see any more Finny. So I'm sorry to say that. But again, continue to please give me your questions and comments in the comment section, or to send me an email at servantcrafts@gmail.com. And I'm happy to answer your questions to help solve challenges and problems. And I think the next step that I'm going to take, and I'll come back with you and make a quick video about it, is a few questions have come in regarding pieces that don't seem to line up and fit the way that they should, and they are Bucilla patterns. So I am going to reach out to Plaid Creative, which is the parent company of Bucilla, and find out what we can do to solve these problems when they come up. Will they send us a new sheet of that particular piece of felt that that piece is on? Will they let us know what color or where the felt is manufactured, so that we can purchase that and make sure that it matches? So anyway, I will do some of that research before I get back with you next time, and we will try to answer questions in quick Q&A kind of videos here every couple of weeks. So I hope you have a blessed holiday season. We're getting right up there on Thanksgiving, coming close to Christmas, and you have a really blessed day.